everything out today, guys, because guess what? We're at a new location. Where are we, Callum?
We're at a skate bowl.
Look at this place, guys. This thing is scary, though. Look at the depth. There's Callum. There it goes. All the way down there. I think there's going to be some destruction here. Callum is now going to seriously durability test the rival MT10 against the Arrma Granite. Now bear in mind, guys, price difference on this one's just increased massively because this one is now £389 and you can get this one for £249, and I'll put a link in the description below where you can get both of those from. What are we going to do, Callum?
We're going to durability test them and send them.
Where are we sending them to?
I think the moon.
The moon. Okay, guys, if you got what we're doing, please remember to
subscribe
and comment down below which one you think is going to win. Granite is the first to take the challenge. Oh, it's died already. Oh, has it come disconnected? Callum's now got to get down there. Round 2 for the Granite. Oh, I could have done it. No, it's still going. That was an awkward crack. Oh, that's... Has it taken that? Nicely done. Taking some abuse. How long will it last though? We need to do the challenge. From there, up, down, cross, up, down, and out the end. You can do that?
Yeah.
Oh, how did he land that? Oh, he didn't land it. It's on its wheels. It's not on its wheels, it's on its roof. Can the Granite do it? Oh! Oh! No way can it take that.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, the poor Granite.
Is it still going? No. Oh, front wheel drive's gone. Have a look at the damage. Oh, set the drive shot.
Cracked as well.
Oh.
It technically took a beating. Apart from that.
I think you crashed it, Callum.
I think I might have done.
Oh, what you done, Callum?
I broke the chassis. There's only like a feather holding it on. It's like a whisker.
A whisker?
Yeah.
Time. What time is it now?
Rival time.
It's the rival time. Let's see how long you can keep the rival going. That's little jumps. Oh. It's one gripe I have with the rival: body clips. Already lost a body clip. It eats body clips. Uh-oh. Oh, we've got a bit of noise. Got some rubbing. Sounds like a gear or a spur. Not doing it now. Fixed it. Callum, I think it's only fair. We tried the challenge with the Granite.
We have to do it with the rival.
This could be a short video, guys. Body clips gone already. Oh, the rival just eats body clips. Can the rival take the challenge? Nicely done on that top one. We'll bring it back round for this one though. Oh, oh, that is a backbreaker.
I think it took it.
It took it, the body didn't. Has it spat out some more body clips?
Yeah, 2.
No.
Yeah, they're not even on there.
2 body clips. It's eating body clips. Callum wants to send it down here, across there, up there, into the tree.
Let's waffle, more action, in the tree, go on. Hey, there you go.
Oh, oh, you stuck that one.
Yeah, it's in there.
It's in there.
So I think you're going to have to send it to recover it. Yeah,
Just leave it there. Anyone wants a rival, come down here and get it.
You might be able to post it with your skateboard.
Callum, you got to go and get that.
Oh.
It's hooked up there proper, isn't it?
He's not doing it.
Sorry, Callum managed to get it out.
You got to do it again now. So
Yeah, you got to send it back up there and do it again so we can see it coming out.
And you got to catch body clips.
Has it more body clips?
Yeah.
No. Destruction Derby, rival versus the Bison versus the Centon. Can the rival take the wall of death? Not many cars can survive this. Oh, it took it. Lost body clips again.
Lost front drive. Oh, I think the seat sort of twisted.
Damage report, guys. We've lost the front bulkhead. What have you done?
I broke both the Granite and the associated rival MT.
So guys, that's another session at what is probably the UK's most brutal skate park. Triple concrete bowl, wall of death. Which one won out, the rival and the Granite, Callum?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? How can you not know? The rival survived a lot longer than the Granite.
Yeah, but the rival didn't have as nasty landings as the
That's
Granite.
true. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, remember to
Subscribe, hit the like, comment down below, and check out all the videos popping up around me right about now.
take care guys, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hardcore RC, signing out.